Hello, my name is Andrzej Dybiec. I am sound engineer from Poland. Welcome in my studio. In today's episode, we will talk about the rumble kick and how to use it in techno in general.
Andrzej Dybiec.
We are in FL Studio. Right now I will show you the demo track in which I use the rumble kick. As you see, we have the example kick and the rumble, so it sounds in solo like this. Only the kick and only the rumble. You probably will ask me how to recreate this kind of atmosphere, or maybe the sub bass. Definitely it's not the bass line. It sounds like bass line, but it's not. It's more irregular. It's more chaotic, I suppose. And definitely it doesn't sound like the typical bass line. Right now we'll go through the processing point. Definitely we need to choose the kick, so I choose this one. And we need to program it like it sounds like this kind of rumble. So we go on the for example 6th track, 6th insert. And right now we need to make something like this. We need to we need to make a bus to insert A6, so we make the send to insert 7. And the first point we need to do is, of course, unplug the master track and go to the insert 7, where we need to make a sub bass. How to make a sub bass from the kick? It's pretty simple. First of all, we need to make a low pass filter on the last slot of the insert. So it should be like in this thing. So maximum to 200 Hz. Okay, it's on the sub bass right now, so we need to make the delay. I prefer to make it on this time, so 1/16 it should be good. Okay, to make it more chaotic, we can also make another delay. It can be even faster. But I think we will not use it. We'll make only the 16th note delay. Yeah. The third thing we should do, my opinion, is make a little bit saturation right now. So we are going to do this to make this area more it should have more harmonics inside. So we are making this start. And it sounds more fat, I think. Of course, the delay is too long, I suppose. Okay, so main part, it sounds like this. Also, I prefer to make it more mono, but I suppose that it is in mono. Yeah, This is definitely on mono. So this is the first part. Next part is we need to make a sidechain. So right now we are going to the limiter because we choose the bus insert, so it should work right now. I have of course I have the sidechain preset, and you can check it how it sounds like right now. Okay, can we make it more chaotic, more atonal? So yes, it can be more atonal. I prefer to use ring modulation right now. I will use the snap hip to do that. We choose the ring mode. Okay, it's definitely is more atonal right now. I think we can also do the frequency shifter. But in this case, it should not work right now. Also, I can use a little bit white noise. I will imitate the white noise by choosing the quantize distortion. But it doesn't work on the low pass filter we choose previously. Right now I'm experimenting a little bit. I'm taking a try to use some functions. Okay, it sounds, I think, better now. As you see right now, the quantized distortion makes it more noise. It makes it more sounds like noise. But in this case, I will put it. I will turn it down. So we have only the sub bass. So this is the rumble one. Rumble sub. Yeah. So in the next chapter, we will go through. We are right now. We are turning off the main kick. We are taking the rumble sub, and also make a bus in insert 8. And for this time, we are disconnecting rumble sub from the master to go to the rumble Atmo. So we got this kind of sound which we should separate from the sub bass. So we are doing it right. Okay, it doesn't sound a little bit wide, so we should make it a little bit wider. Of course, I will also separate the higher frequencies to make it deep. Yeah. So in this case, we are going to the snap hip. Of course, we are choosing some kind of distortion. Yeah, we should make it more deep, of course. Yeah, it sounds a little bit better, I think. But it sounds not deep as I wanted to. To make it more deeper, I should just reduce the distortion. Okay, we will choose right now the disperser. Okay. Also, I will choose the limiter. Okay. I think it should be again. We should make this again the sidechain on the tracks. I will do it right now. Okay, to make it more more chaotic, I should right now use some reverb. Okay, on the last part, we should use the ring modulation. I suppose it should sound good. Okay, so it sounds like this right now. I will put again previous tracks on the we can also manipulate the last the last filter. So we will manipulate the resonance of our band. It should be resonated in this period. So it should be I think from the 200 hertz to 500 to make it maybe more AC. So I suppose this is it. We have the final result. As I told, this is way of the experimenting in this genre. So you can also make another inserts. You can make another sense from you can re-synthesize or re-effect another rumbles. I prefer to to add more buses from the Rumble sub, I suppose. So there are many options to make a Rumble. You can also change the sidechain to make it more rhythmic. I suppose that techno genre is a huge science, and always when we make a techno, we should experiment to make it more unobvious. Maybe that word will fit perfectly. Okay, so yeah, that's the final result. Maybe I will mix it maybe more proper. And we will see each other next time on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and of course I will be very glad if you will subscribe and like my videos, etc. Thank you, and bye bye.